Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning unit 14. Its title is The Honest Girl. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to complete reading and understanding of this unit. And before this, in your English for grade 1, I have taught you how to express understanding of story through pantomime. Okay, so we have discussed and practiced pantomime. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to express understanding of story through pantomime and simple role play. Respond to the text post-reading to express likes or dislikes about the story. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Mu'minun, verse 8, those who are faithfully true to their amanat, all the duties which Allah has ordained, honesty, moral responsibilities and trust, and to their covenants, means to their promises. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning the qualities of a mu'min, of a true believer, a true Muslim. And what does a true Muslim do? He fulfills the amana. Whatever is Allah has commanded, Allah has given, Allah has asked, that person is faithful to that. And here our focus in this story is honesty, right? So yesterday we have read a part of this story. Now today we are going to read further, and before that you tell me what is pantomime. Do you remember about pantomime? And guess what is going to happen to Saba now. Okay, pause the video, answer these questions and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember that pantomime is a technique of conveying emotions, actions or feelings, etc. through gestures without words. So through our body language, facial expressions, we tell what we want to say without saying it, right? And we do it in our routine life as well. I taught you, for example, if I start, it means I'm thinking something, I say, I'm hungry, I want to eat something. This is how, beta, without saying, we convey the message. This is pantomime. We'll practice it today, okay? And what's going to happen, Saba? You have told to your teacher, I told you to guess this story. So have you something in your mind? Okay, let's see your guess is correct or not. All of you open your book on page number 101. And here, I'm starting from this point. Because we stopped here, she gave Fatima one day, teacher asked Fatima, now you think about it, tomorrow I'll talk to you. What happened next? At night, Saba could not sleep. The pen no longer looked beautiful to her. Now she was worried, oh, just for this pen, oh, what did I do? This is how better this happens. So whenever we make a mistake, we feel it. What should we do? Let's see what Saba did. She could not forget Fatima's crying face and she felt bad. Fatima was crying just because of me. This is what she was thinking. The next day in the class, Saba told the truth. The pen is with me. I was looking at it yesterday. I put it in my pocket without thinking. I am very sorry. I will never do it again. Simple. You see, said Saba. The teacher said, you are a brave and honest girl. You have told the truth. We all make mistakes and are hesitant to admit them. Means, what does hesitant? We don't admit it. We stop ourselves. Because this is very natural. On the face of this earth, there is not even a single human being who does not make any mistake. We all do mistakes. But what's the correct way? We should accept our mistake. Says the simple way. Say, sorry, I'm sorry. I did it. I will not do it again. Okay. This is what teacher is telling to Sabha as well. Everybody was happy once again. That day, Sabha realized her mistake and she learned to be happy with whatever she had. Okay, another thing she learned, that if I don't have that pen, it does not make any difference. So why I was looking at that and it make something bad to happen. This is how beta, okay, this is, we should learn from our experiences, right? So this is all about the story. Now you tell to your teacher, what did Sabha realize at the end, and express your likes and dislikes, right? And what does it mean? In this story, there must be a few things which you like, means you said, wow, it's good, and few things which you, oh, it should not have. So what was the thing which you like, and what was the thing which you did not like, you dislike? Pause the video, tell to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with these questions? Okay, now it's time for a very interesting activity. And what that activity is, you will perform a pantomime or a simple role play of the story. And teacher, I suggest do both. Make two groups, one for pantomime and one for role play. And what do we do? What is the difference? In pantomime, we don't speak, we just express by our gestures, and in role play there will be all the characters and the teacher and students, whatever the scenario is. So let's prepare the student, make them to display first the role play and then the pantomime. Let them enjoy whatever they want to do, let them do. This is the way how they will express and they will learn the things. So pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? You enjoyed doing it? Wonderful. Now, I want all of you to go back to your seat and sit nicely, because we are going to proceed our lecture. What we are going to do now, these are the questions from the part of the story which we read today. You will answer these questions first orally, then you will write the answers in your notebook. Pause the video, complete this task, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. It is, we are enjoying learning today, right? Okay, so here is your homework. Question 2, you will choose and write the correct words. So the story which we read, these are the statements from there. You will select the correct word to complete these statements. It is your homework, and I am giving you a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, do you remember yesterday I gave you a story of a glass of milk? Remember, a glass of milk? So we are going to extend it for pantomime. Okay, perform the role play of the story. You will make a video and share it with your teacher. This is how you are going to complete this worksheet. First, you will express your likes and dislikes, then you will do a role play for this story. So what we have learned today, we learned to express understanding of story through pantomime and simple role play, and we learned to respond to the text post reading to express likes and dislikes about the story. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.